Hey guys, Kid Guru here, and today I have a review for the tech world. This is one on a web host, one of the web hosts that we use for one of our sites, and that's over at podcast.adrianstech.com. Again, podcast.adrianstech.com. That's where we host our daily podcast. Every week we do a podcast on the latest tech news. We're releasing actually a couple new shows, so if you want to check that out, again, head over to podcast.adrianstech.com for more information. Anyways, we have a host that was in cooperation with us setting up our site and hosting our content and bandwidth, and we wanted to go ahead and give them a shout out along with a review of their hosting service. We only thought it would be fair that we can give them a review in return. So now, let me just go through an overview of PacificHost.com. PacificHost gives a lot of good plans right now. If you want to take advantage of it, they're doing a 20% off coupon if you use the coupon GIVEME20. So that's only going on for an hour, 30 minutes, and 35 seconds as of this video. So if you're viewing this video an hour later, you're out of luck. So instead of getting hosting unlimited websites, yeah, it's unlimited for $10. You can get it for $7.95 a month if you go up right now. So the great thing about Pacific Host, while their disk space in some plans may be limited, according to other hosts like GoDaddy, where they kind of give you more disk space, the one thing they offer right from the get-go is unlimited bandwidth, unlimited domains, unlimited email. So you have support for, you have a lot of bandwidth, so there's no problem with scaling up. Domain names, if you want to add more domains that you've bought in from elsewhere, maybe you've bought them from GoDaddy or some other domain, realtor. Or if you want unlimited email accounts, maybe you have like 100, 200, whatever people plus in your company, and you want to make emails. That's no problem. That's right off the get-go with a basic plan. And again, if you take advantage of the deal, I believe you get a free domain, so you can go ahead and sign up right now. Now let me read about some of their things. So again, they've been hosting since 1999, and they give a 99.9% uptime guarantee and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, if you're new to the website, you can get a free domain for life, a free site builder with 700 templates, free script installations, 24/7, 365. That's 24/7, 365 days a week of premium support, and instant setup and activation. So they're there to help you right from the get-go. Again, if you're transferring websites, so let's say you're coming from a new host, they do free domain transfer, free entire website transfer. Again, the keyword here, guys, is free. This host is really great just because they offer a lot of stuff, great support. They're there for you right from the get-go, like I said. Free script installations. Again, the whole 24/7 premium support, instant setup and activation. Some of the key features they include, that I'll be showing off some of them, is the cPanel, which I'll show you in a second. Free domain for life, 130 plus script auto installer, so you can auto install certain things right from the get-go. And I'm going to show you this little menu they have here where you can view the scripts of all the stuff that they support. If I can minimize that. They support great software scripts like WordPress, Joomla, a lot of, I believe they call them CMS, content management systems, that you can install right off the get-go on your website. So for example here, if you want to set up a blog, you can use something like WordPress, and you pick your category on the right or left, as it says here. So I'll click WordPress. And what I'll say is you can see a demo, you can write a review, get support to set up your site. And right here it says, just for example, I'll read one of the reviews. There is no script like this. It's out of the world and unreal. Best blogging software. Google loves it for friendly URLs. So you get some reviews of WordPress, and they can set this right up for you on their site with their host. No problem. You can see the demo of it, add your ratings, write a review, or get support, with helping you set up on your blogging site. So there's a whole bunch of other blogging platforms. They also have CMS, content management systems. So you can use something like Joomla, Drupal. This kind of manages the content for you, so you don't have to do as much work as you would in a WordPress thing. Or you can use a forum if you want to set up a forum. They have MyBB, SMF, Simple Machine Forums, image galleries if you're looking to set up like a photo gallery type site. You can even do wikis, ad management, calendars, gamings, mailings, polls and surveys, project management, e-commerce. The list just goes on and on. Even video. So if you want to do a video script, they support VideoScript and ClipBucket, which allow you to make sites like, for example, our site, tuggeek.com, or the site you're watching this video on, which is YouTube. You can make a video sharing site all off of this little script, which they help you automatically install with your website. So again, they're really, really great in helping you, set up your site and get, really cool ideas right from the start. Free site builder software, free video script installations, as I mentioned, free setup, and again, the 99.9 uptime guarantee. So with that, I'm going to jump into the cPanel, which a lot of people, let me go to the home here. Sorry, I was looking at something earlier, but a lot of people like for a lot of to manage your your websites, etc. cPanel makes it much more easier to think of it as a control panel for your website. So you get their Twitter feed right here of what's up, if there are any servers are down or if they updated. So recently they updated all the kernels to the latest versions. You can run servers as you see here. Our main domain is right now is adrianstech.com. And it tells you what operating system you're running. So we're running on Linux. You get to customize your plan if you want. You can see the monthly bandwidth transferred, disk space usage, and a whole bunch of other cPanel versions and all that stuff. So what they provide in the cPanel, just to show you off some of the features they have here. You have obviously the PacificHost links to their websites. Some preferences if you want to get getting started. If you're new to cPanel, you can do some video tutorials. You want to set up some mail accounts. They have a webmail service where you can view mail through there. If you want to have like an @adrianstech.com email address or anything like that, you can set that all up there. Files. This is just for backing up your website. FTP session control. So if you want to set up FTP accounts for your users to transfer files. Logs. Now this is what's really cool. I'm going to show you some of this. So I'm going to show you the latest visitors. You can also monitor bandwidth. Do some loggings just for checking out your latest visitors and checking out what's new on the website and stuff like that. Of case of people if you want to log what's happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and then here it'll show us one of our websites, and I'm gonna go ahead and view. And from there, you can see here it shows what pages they were at, the host, the people who connected. So for example, they're viewing the RSS feed here. It shows the date, the version they connected, whether it was HTTP, HTTPS. Size and bytes that they used up, and even in some cases it shows the agent. So this guy was using Mozilla 5.0. He was on an Intel Mac OS 10 10.6, and some other additional information. For example, this one again, Windows NT. It's really just some niche information you can get about your audience, what browser they're viewing it on, where they came from. For example, this one came from the blog. He came over from our adrianstech.com blog and found our podcast link. So just really cool information. They give it to you in the cPanel. And going back to the home of cPanel, to show you, obviously I can't show you everything in detail, just kind of giving you an overview. Your logs, security, so you can do password protect in certain directories on FTP accounts, etc. IP deny manager, so let's say you want to ban somebody out your site, cPanel allows you to do that. They also have domains, so you can mess around with subdomains, add extra domains, get park domains and redirects, etc. Databases, this is just dealing with MySQL and PHP MyAdmin stuff. And if you want to use some extra software like PHP configuration and Ruby on Rails, if you're familiar with that, you can mess around with that. And of course, the advanced tab, just messing with Apache headers, image manager for your websites, index manager, error pages, cron jobs, front page extension, network tools. So kind of the stuff that what's running processes on your server, wherever it may be. Just the advanced stuff that you may need for your web admin may need to access. For example, like the user that uses my account along with me is We493. You guys may know him, Josh. Those are mainly he'll use those tools or whatever if he needs to monitor the website, or of course he can check the logs. He's my web admin for most of the sites that are all of the sites that are run. But anyway, moving on, they also have a client login along with that. So a client portal is your portal to the World Wide Web. This basically, as you see here, this is blurred out because this is our address. This shows you all of the invoices you've paid for your hosting, and it shows you your total accounts you have, etc. So basically, this just is your personal dashboard. You can check out the additional hosting packages that they have to offer. Like I said, there's the basic, and this is the shared hosting that we're on right now. You can check your current emails, tickets, or submit a ticket if you need support with your website. Affiliate, they offer affiliate programs, and you can add additional account funds, etc. So they have additional portals, depending on what you need to do. Anyways, guys, this is just covering the overview of PacificHost and what they have to offer. I highly recommend them as a great host if you're looking to set up a website dealing with video or blog, anything like that. They're there to help, and they offer great support at great prices. And with this great offer, they're already having right now as of within 1 hour and 22 minutes left. It's a great advantage to take on, and if you're looking to start up a website, they're here to help. They'll get your domain set up. It's easy, great setup, and they have a lot of video tutorials, etc. on their site. Hosting a website, a lot of people don't realize that it's actually really pretty cheap, $7 a month around there. Plus if you want to buy your own domain, that can get you around like $6. It's not that much. Domains you only have to pay yearly as well. So great deals going on right now. Be sure to check them out, guys. PacificHost, I want to take a huge shout out to them, and as well a huge shout out to We493 who helps me run all my sites, and He was the one who helped me, actually discover PacificHost and show me some of their features as well. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this quick overview/review of the PacificHost. Check it out, and I'll leave all links in the video description to the right. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe to the videos, and of course, check out our site at adrianstech.com and email us any questions, concern at adrianstech@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.